Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside ChatGPT when you ask it a question? It feels like magic, but it is pure mathematics. Let's dive deep inside. Step 1. Tokenization. AI doesn't understand English words like we do. Your sentence is chopped into chunks called tokens and converted into numbers. Step 2. The neural network. These numbers enter a massive digital brain. Using attention mechanisms, the AI maps out how every word connects to the others for full context. Step 3. Next word prediction. ChatGPT doesn't have a database of pre-written answers. Instead, it calculates the mathematical probability of what the very next word should be. Step 4. The loop. Once a word is predicted, it is added back into your question. The whole process runs again to guess the next word, doing this incredibly fast, over and over. Finally, the numbers are translated back into words, forming the human-like response. That is the secret mechanics behind ChatGPT. To learn more, please follow Stickman Coding Academy.